Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Skin Aqua UV Super Moisture SPF 50 Sunscreen. Japanese sunscreens are such fuss-free products that you may wonder if they are even sunscreens at all. They also have more regulations when it comes to sunscreens tests. Skin Aqua UV Super Moisture Gel is lightweight and have excellent sun protection. This sunscreen is a waterproof and sweatproof sunscreen with chemical UV filters. It has a gel-type formula that is suitable for makeup applications. The sunscreen comes in a white big bottle with a golden cap and squeezy tube. The product is great if you are looking for 3-finger application as it disperses only the right amount of product. It does look like cheap plastic but luxurious at the same time. The Super Moisture Gel has a very liquid texture, unlike its name gel. The texture is like water. To be honest, I don't think the 3-finger rule is enough for this product. The product can give a patchy application as it dries down very quickly. The sunscreen has alcohol in it, so it does have a strong alcoholic scent. The scent goes away within a minute, so don't bother. But if you are very sensitive to fragrances, then I suggest you steer clear of this product. How to use it? Just like any sunscreen. On clean skin, after your toner and moisturizer, take a generous amount of the sunscreen and apply it all over the face and neck. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.